Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. English Teacher. I'm Leah, and I'm so happy to see you again.
And I'm Jack. It's always great to be here with you. How are you today, Leah?
I'm feeling good, but a little sleepy. I stayed up late watching English movies last night.
That's actually a good excuse because watching movies in English can help your speaking skills.
Yes, that's true. I was trying to learn and relax at the same time.
Nice. So today's topic is perfect for you and for everyone watching.
Today, we'll talk about how you can improve your English speaking skills in just 34 minutes a day.
That's right. Only 34 minutes. Not 1 hour, not 2, just 34.
That sounds interesting, but why 34 minutes?
Good question, because 34 minutes is short enough to fit into your day and long enough to make real progress if you use it the right way.
I like that. So today, we'll show you a simple 34-minute daily plan to help you speak English better and more naturally.
Let's break it down. You can divide your 34 minutes into 4 parts. Start with 5 minutes of warm-up. Speak to yourself in English.
Like, good morning, Leah. Today I will...
Exactly. Talk about your day, your plans, or how you feel. It helps your tongue and brain wake up in English.
So it's like a morning stretch, but for your mouth.
Yes, a mouth stretch.
Okay, next 10 minutes?
Listen to short English clips, maybe a podcast, YouTube video, or a movie scene. Then repeat after the speaker.
Repeat after them?
Yes, it's called shadowing. You listen and speak at the same time. It helps with pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm.
So if the speaker says, "How's it going?" I try to say it exactly like them?
Perfect. Try to copy their sound, not just the words.
All right, now we've done 15 minutes. What's next?
Now, 14 minutes for practice. Find a friend, a language partner, or talk to an AI app. Even talk to yourself.
What should I talk about?
Anything simple. Daily life topics like food, hobbies, plans, or stories. The goal is to keep talking without thinking too much.
So fluency is more important than perfection?
Exactly. Don't worry about grammar right now. Just speak naturally.
And the last 5 minutes?
Review what you learned today. Write down new words or phrases you used. For example, today I learned, "How's it going?" and "That sounds fun."
I like that. It helps you remember and see your progress every day.
Yes, and that's how 34 minutes can really change your English.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn to practice.
Repeat after us. Let's warm up together. Ready? Say this: I'm ready to practice English every day.
Now repeat. I can improve my English in 34 minutes.
Good. Again, speaking English feels easy and fun.
Nice job. Remember, even small practice every day makes a big difference.
All right, friends, that's our 34-minute English plan.
If you follow this every day, you'll sound more confident, more natural, and more fluent.
Let's keep growing together. Tell us in the comments, how do you practice speaking English?
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Teacher for more friendly lessons. Thanks for learning with us today.